Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I am doing a collab with Karen at Starch and Stitches. And what we did is we made two Renaissance dresses for Ellowyne and a friend. And my Ellowyne's friend is my 17-inch Barbie, who I absolutely love. Um, I didn't get shoes made for her in time, but these are Nikki's shoes. Nikki is the darker skinned Dreamtopia hair to there, I think it's called. This is the back of the outfit. It does kind of go down past. It is what I wanted and it's not what I wanted. This was supposed to be further down. I got my elastic a little too short, pulled it too tight is what I had done. But overall, I'm pretty pleased with it. I made this chemise first and I added the white lace. I hope you can see that. Both sleeves and down the front. And then I made the overskirt. And Darren, God love him, I can't right now, especially, do the eyelets. He did, I bunched it up. They are perfectly set. Very happy with that. When I went to make my Ellowyne's outfit, which was the second, actually, I made the uh, Barbie chemise, and then I did my Ellowyne whoops, Ellowyne outfit, and I messed up. I tweaked a pattern, and Darren will show you that in the right now. He can set that in. When I ironed my fabric, I put a crease in the sleeve and front of the chemise. See it? I folded it, and there was already a fold there, so I have to be really careful. I ironed the best I could. Let's get the right side up, and of course I have black dog here. This is the correct side. This is the correct side. And I'm taking my lace a little past the fabric and to sew it down so that it doesn't come up short. You can always cut that little bit off, but if your sewing machine moves it, now see I'm going with that center line right down this center line, and it just looks off, but it's not. And then what I'll do, oh, where's my line? What I'll do is once I get this sewn down, and I will sew it down one side and back up the other. This is the middle of the sleeve, top of the sleeve, and this is down the front. And what I'll do is once I get that sewn down, I'll zigzag all the way around each piece and then assemble my chemise and go from there. This is just waist knot, want knot. When I cut out Eleanor's chemise, I had made the pattern the length of a sheet of paper. I need to add on the length for she and Barbie, but I didn't. So waist knot, want knot, I just made a gathered waist with elastic. Yeah, they wouldn't have worn that. Yes, I know. I know. If you're the Ren Fair police, I got you. But we're going to try this on her and see how this goes. Waist knot, want knot. I could cut that off to make a shirt, but I thought I'd do this first. I might still cut that. I don't know. Let's see how this works out. Let me get that elastic turned. Oh, that's quite pretty. That's quite pretty. All right, let me pull this around, and there you go. I tweaked a shirt pattern to become a chemise. And when I did that, well, first, this was a short sleeve shirt on a steampunk pattern. And the first time I tweaked it, I just made a long sleeve shirt. These sleeves got a little short, so we're pushing them up to 3/4 length. I also forgot to add, since I only used a sheet of paper, I forgot to add what was written on my pattern, 2 extra inches, which should be 3 at least, if not longer. I'm going to add the length to my pattern so it doesn't happen again. But my chemise came out short, but I didn't realize it till after I had already put this beautiful ribbon trim on. And so I just thought, you know what? I'm just going to make a third outfit and make a gathered skirt. I actually made this for Ellowyne, so it doesn't fit the Tyler Wentworth as perfectly as I would like it to. But I think it came out cute.
I think they're beautiful.
Thank you. She's wearing jean shoes. Yeah. Then let me show you the star of the show, and that is my Ellowyne with the remade, actually, let me pull her off, with the remade chemise, which I'm very pleased with. This actually sits off her shoulders correctly, but because it is elastic, it slides up. It is supposed to be off the shoulders. She has the trim on the arms, and then I added the trim all the way around on the overskirt. Darren, again, did a perfect job with the setting the rivets. And her overskirt has the sleeves. You see this outfit a lot at Renaissance fairs. I really like this. And to be honest, I think she looks like a Christmas angel. Very pleased. I do not have Ellowyne shoes yet, and Darren hasn't had the time to make Ellowyne size shoes because he has a long list from me of other things we're working on. Plus, how many pairs of jean size shoe soles do you think we've printed?
Oh,
do you think we're at 100 yet?
I bet.
I bet we are. And that's what we need is about 100 pair of the shoe soles that fit the jean dolls, because they also fit so many of these fashion dolls, and those are going to be in our goodie baskets for the fall fashion event. But these are my girls for the Ellowyne and Friend Renaissance collab with Karen at Starch and Stitches. Please go by and see Karen's video today. I got a sneak peek at her Ellowyne's dress. Oh, you are going to want to see it. Thank you so much, Karen. This was a lot of fun. And stay tuned. Karen and I have a couple of other ideas coming up as collabs. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.
They all three are very beautiful.
Thank you.